Good day, Madam and Sir. Hi, I'm Mary Rose Diaz, 42 years old, high school graduate, and I am a Filipino. I am a married woman with 3 kids. I work here in Hong Kong for 4 years and 11 months and terminated this coming February 22 in good reason because the two teenage kids I take care is big already and they don't need me because the age is 18 years old and 14 years old now. My main duties and responsibilities are general housework, cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, marketing, and planning our weekly menu. I really like dogs also. To my future employer, I promise to do my duties and responsibility with love, hard work, trustworthy, and kind. Thank you.